Assalamu alaikum. Start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. I am Abdul Wasi Sheikh from class first year. Today I will tell you about biology. What is biology? Study about life is called biology. What is life? What is meant by life? Activities performed by an organism from zygote up to death. Any organism perform any activities from zygote up to death. That is called life. There are some properties of life. Some are vital properties and some are non-vital properties. What is meant by vital properties? Those properties, vital properties are those properties without which an animal or any organism cannot survive. These four are vital properties. Nutrition, these four are vital properties: nutrition, metabolism, transport, and excretion. First of all, nutrition. Nutrition process to obtain food. Why we obtain food? To get energy. If we have energy, then we can do any work easily. If we have not no any energy, we become weak, then we cannot do any work. We do nutrition to get energy and to build protoplasm. Nutrition is included in vital properties. If we not do nutrition, we cannot eat anything, we cannot drink water, anything, then we cannot survive, and life would not be occur. Number second vital property is metabolism. Activities performed by any organism. Activities performed by any organism, just like digestion, respiration. What is digestion? Digestion means smaller molecules convert larger molecules convert into smaller molecules. Why larger molecules convert into smaller molecules? If we eat anything, or if we eat anything, then our larger we do the process of digestion. Due to digestion, larger molecules convert into smaller molecules, and the food is enters in our every cell, and we can get energy, and our protoplasm will be developed there. That's why digestion is must, and respiration is also must. Why we respire? Breakdown of food. If food becomes breakdown, then it goes into every cell and we get energy. Means metabolism is also necessary for us. Number third is transport, movement of molecules. Just like gases, movement of gases, lungs from environment from lungs, means movement of molecules is also necessary. Oxygen, movement of oxygen, carbon dioxide is also necessary. If we have not oxygen, we cannot survive, and the death would may occur. Number fourth is excretion, removal of waste materials. If we eat anything, then the removal of waste materials is necessary. If we not excrete anything, we cannot remove waste products, then we cannot eat fresh anything, and our life would not be, maybe occur, and death would occur. These all are the vital properties, and these four properties are non-vital properties. These four properties are non-vital properties. Non-vital. What are non-vital properties? Non-vital properties are those properties by which life would may occur. Just like number first is growth. Irreversible change in size, shape, and weight of an organism. If any organism reproduce, and if any organism cannot increase in their size, cannot increase in their weight, and cannot increase in their shape, then organism can survive. Life cannot depend upon size, shape, or weight of an organism. That organism can survive. But survive means it includes the non-vital properties. Organism can survive without death, without growth. Number second is sensitivity, ability to detect environmental change. If any person has no ability to detect environmental change, if there is summer or winter, any organism cannot detect there is summer, there is winter, then that organism can survive. Or if any organism cannot smell anything, means if they have no property of sensation, then organism can survive. That is abnormality in that organism, but organism can survive. That is also non-vital property. Number third is locomotion or movement. What is meant by locomotion? Locomotion means displacement. Means any organism can move from one place to another place, just like I move from one place to another place. That is my locomotion. And movement, only movement of organisms, only movement of organs. But organism stay at one place, just like I stay at this place and I move my organs. Hence, the only movement of organs is movement, and displacement from one place to another place is locomotion. If anybody cannot move their organs or cannot displace from one place to another place, then that organism can survive at one place. This includes in non-vital properties. Number fourth is reproduction, ability to produce offspring of their own kind. Means if any organism cannot reproduce, then that organism can survive. Reproduction is available or reproduction is vital for species but not non-vital for individual. Any individual organism cannot reproduce, non-vital for individual. Reproduction is vital for species, means there is species they can reproduce, and non-vital for any individual person. Means if any person, any organism cannot reproduce, then that organism can survive. Without reproduction, any organism can survive. These all properties includes in non-vital, and these four properties, nutrition, metabolism, transport, oxygen, includes in vital properties. That are the properties of life. I hope that you understand the vital and non-vital properties of life. See you again. Allah Hafiz.